If you're a lover of puff puff but you don't know how to make one, then this video is for you. Hi the mass lovers, come let's make this garnished puff puff together. I'm sure you will like it after watching this video. And these are the ingredients I'll be using in this video. To begin, start by adding your flour into a clean bowl, followed by sugar, yeast, flavors and salt. Use your hand to mix everything together. Please remember to wash your hands. Once you are done mixing, add in your warm water bit by bit. Then go ahead and mix everything together. Continue mixing until you have a slimy batter. Once you are done mixing, cover and allow to brew for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Go ahead and dice your pepper and onions because that is what we'll be using to garnish this puff puff. I will be leaving the full recipe in the description box below. Please do well to check it out, okay? After 45 minutes, this is what our batter looks like. You can see it has doubled in size. Go ahead and add in your diced pepper and onions and mix well with your hands until it is well combined together. Once you are done mixing, it is time to fry. Add in enough oil into a frying pan and allow to heat up. Scoop in your puff puff batter into the hot oil and start frying. Fry until it is golden brown. Let me use this opportunity to say thank you to my amazing subscribers. Your love and support means a lot to me and I don't take that for granted. And if you are coming across the channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't make it your last. Subscribe to this channel if you have not. Like this video, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. And lastly, do not forget to share this video, okay? And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer your questions, okay? Once your puff puff is golden brown, take it out the oil and allow to cool down. Repeat the process for the rest of the batter. Our puff puff is finally ready. If you have watched this video to this very point, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sylvia Chimdimma. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next video.